Do you feel overwhelmed by the huge amount of notes that you've got scattered around in notebooks, post-it notes, or randomly saved documents on your computer? Well, it's time to get organised. Hi, I'm Sharon, and you're very welcome to this class where you're going to learn how to be more organised with your notes using a free app called Google Keep. I'm a virtual assistant and have been running my own business since 2010. I help confidence coaches focus on doing what they love by taking care of their operations and admin side of their business. A few years ago, I also started up Sharon's tutorials, mainly because I was being asked so many questions by my clients on how to do things with different pieces of software, for example, Canva and Zoom and Microsoft Office. So I thought, why not start a blog answering these questions by sharing step-by-step tutorials? And that's what I did. I also started a YouTube channel to run alongside the blog, and I now focus more on sharing tutorials to do with Google Apps to help solopreneurs, freelancers, and other small business owners get to grips with using the free version of Google Workspace. Now, I use Google Keep on a daily basis in my own business, as well as for personal use. It's brilliant for your weekly shopping list. So if you've never used it, or maybe you've dabbled with it a little bit but didn't really know what you were doing, then I am really excited to share with you exactly what you can do with Google Keep. There is so much more to it than just taking notes. You can share your notes, you can set reminders, you can add images and drawings to them, you can color code them, and you can use Keep with other Google apps like Gmail and Google Docs to help you be even more productive. Throughout this class, you'll be learning everything you need to know in order to submit your class project, which is to create a note or list that meets specific criteria, such as including a coloured background, an image, or a drawing. You'll learn all about this in the next video. Now, I can't promise by the end of this class that you're not going to be buying even more notebooks, because I still do. But you will feel more in control, more organised, and more efficient in managing your own notes. I really hope you find the lessons useful. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll do my best to help you. Now, if you're ready, then let's get started.